YouTube tells us that 65.3% of the people who watch our content are not subscribed. So please subscribe.
Hi everyone, welcome to Healing Souls. So dear friends, in this reading we are going to see the energies for all of our friends according to the zodiac signs for the coming week. And this is a timeless reading, so whenever you happen to click on this link, from that particular day until for a period of 7 to 10 days, these energies are going to be applicable for you. So if your sun sign or moon sign is any of these, you may check the reading. You can see the timestamps for various zodiac signs. Let's begin with the first zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aries. And let us see how the coming week is going to be for our Aries friends. So it is a week of a lot of creativity, imagination, dreams. Basically your upper chakras being very activated. You are fantasizing a lot. In a practical way, I can say that there are many options in front of you that you are going to make choice from. Now this can be in regard to your relationship scenario. Too many cards. This can be with regard to your relationship scenario, or this can be with regard to your work scenario. Okay, let us see. Okay, so in the last week I feel that there has been a certain opportunity of financial abundance, growth, a certain idea which came to you. If I read this spread with regard to your career, and this idea, this opportunity that came to you in the last week was a seed of a lot of abundance that you could grow in future. And so in the coming week, say on Monday, Tuesday, you are looking all your options, you're fantasizing, and say around Tuesday I see a very quick communication coming towards you, wherein you get a clarity. Now this communication can come from a person, or it can be a clarity that comes to you from divine universe with regard to the option that you need to choose for yourself. Now this option that you choose for yourself, here the angels are saying that you need to be practical with the options that you make for yourself. During the time frame of Wednesday, Thursday, I see you feeling a bit bored, jaded, and in a way even kind of not being satisfied with the communication which has come, with the choice, the option that has been given to you might be from somebody. However, towards the weekend I see that a cycle is closing in your life. Now if it is with regard to your work area, I see you picking up one of the options, and so you have accomplished something in your career and you're moving to the next stage. Now this option can involve traveling for some of my friends with the World card also. So in your work area and for some of my friends, it can be an opportunity of pursuing a new career, and this career can be a career of a spiritual healer, or might be for a career of a spiritual healer. For some of my friends, I feel that they want to pursue Reiki healing, pranic healings, or card reading, something of the sorts. Some of my other friends I feel are absolutely thinking of participating in some kind of a competition, like a beauty pageant, something of the sorts. Yeah, that's what I feel, and you are having some kind of a communication with regard to that idea, participating on stage for a certain competition. That's what I feel for some of my friends. For some of my other friends, this spread is absolutely a spread with regard to day wishing to conceive a child, and in the last week I feel that they have been given many options by a healer for how to have a childbirth. They are moving to a next life chapter of manifesting childbirth. With regard to people who are looking for this spread for marriage and settlement, definitely I do see that there has been a middle person involved who can be a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, an Aquarius, Gemini, Taurus, Leo, Sagittarius, Aries person who has bought you a proposal of marriage. There has been a quick communication, and I feel that you are not feeling that contented with this proposal. However, the universe says that this is a divine gift for you. Get back to the basics, and this is your guidance message for the coming week with regard to your studies, your work, your home life. You are being asked to get back to your basics. And for some of my friends, they say successful outcome to your problem. So if you were going through some problematic time, with the key card, I do feel that some of you might be seeing your options to buy a property or a home also, or looking for rental accommodation, something of the sorts. Anyhow, it is a week wherein your projects, and on a very basic level, if you were working on a very creative project, that is going to end in this week, and I see very fast communications happening regarding that project, and a closure of that project is going to happen with a lot of accomplishment, success in this week. Personal growth, definitely it's a time frame of personal growth for you with the completion of this project. And with the World card, definitely it is an accomplishment and completion of one life chapter, as in some pursuing, moving on to marriages, moving on to getting admissions in colleges and schools, or some going in for parenting, another stage of your life. Some of you are retiring, some of you are changing your career. So it is a big week definitely of some kind of a completion and accomplishment in your life. So enjoy thoroughly well. For some of you, I feel your wife and your mother becomes very evident in the coming week. So all the best to my Aries friends. Wish you a very happy, productive, prosperous week ahead. Let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of our Taurian friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Taurus friends. So dear angels, what are the energy vibrations of the coming week for our Taurian friends? Wow, amazing, beautiful. So my Taurian friends are enjoying their home life, stability, security as well. They are feeling very abundant financially also in the coming week. So in the last week also, they have thoroughly enjoyed in their home. Some of them have been traveling, might be, or have been manifesting a new home into another city, state, or a country. Something of the sorts has happened. Their 11/11 moment has happened in the last week, wherein they have felt absolute harmony and lot of balance in their own energies, in their home, as well as in their work environment. Something of the sorts in the last week was their energy. And in the coming week, I see Monday, Tuesday that might be there is a woman who is evident, who is an earth sign person, can be your mother also, or somebody who is mother-like, like Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn person. As well a Piscean Cancer person I do see very significant for you in the coming week. So Monday, Tuesday, I see that this person is becoming very evident for you. You yourself are enjoying a lot of stability, security and abundance. That's your energy, very grounding energy. As well, for some of my friends with regard to their work areas, I feel that an opportunity of work from home or some kind of idea to work from home comes to you in the coming week, wherein you are feeling very abundant, as though while staying at home you can start your own profession or business, something of this sorts. For some of my other friends in their work and career area, I feel that in last week there was an opportunity which came to them, which was their 11/11 moment. That was an absolute shift of their career, wherein they thought of working from home, and this opportunity has struck them. In the coming week, I see them working on this opportunity on Monday, Tuesday. And for some of my other friends, this opportunity involves travel, movement to another city, state, or a country. And this financial opportunity has come to them through their job, their career, and however they feel a certain discontent in this opportunity, because this opportunity involves movement from the place where they are already living in. Okay, so your general energies for the week, Monday, Tuesday, very abundant, very grounding, enjoying yourselves, looking beautiful, handsome, charismatic, enjoying with your family, friends, enjoying your life at home, and making money also, feeling abundant. Wednesday, Thursday, I would suggest that you make a gratitude list and give gratitude to God, universe, because you are feeling a bit low in your energies, as you are not realizing how many blessings you already have in front of you, and there's another hand of blessing coming from divine, but you are so bored and jaded. Might be this is an energy for the midweek for you, wherein you do not realize your emotionally there is some kind of a discontent that you feel, wherein you are not realizing that you have been blessed with so many gifts, and all that you have to do to raise your vibrations is to give gratitude to the universe. Towards the weekend, there is traveling involved. Some of you are going to travel, do road travel, might be others are planning a trip or a holiday. And as well, towards the weekend, I feel that you're very balanced in your energy. It is a time of victory, success, name, fame, recognition, something that you were trying to do, in that you get success during the weekend. As well, it is possible that either somebody is traveling towards you or you are traveling towards somebody. There is some kind of a travel, or might be purchase of a car or vehicle, something of the sorts is on your mind. Overall, in this week, you need to have more patience, change your perspective towards the things, people, situations. Do more of yoga, meditation. With the boot card, I definitely again feel that some kind of traveling can be planned in the coming week. So they say increase your efforts if you want to achieve your goals. So yeah, in your work area, whatever you want to manifest, you need to increase your efforts. Some of you might be purchasing boots, some of you might be planning to travel to a colder city, state, or a country. Wow, and we have a card of Gong over here. An exciting event is about to happen for you in the coming week. This is beautiful, dear friends. Might be you purchasing a car in the coming week. So there is an exciting event for you. That's an announcement for you in the coming week, which is very, very beautiful. For some of my friends, it is their retirement that they are planning, something of the sorts. For some of my other friends, it is the inauguration of their home, something of that sorts which is happening. So very beautiful, blissful energies around you for the coming week, and I see your chakras balancing towards the end of the week. In a love relationship scenario, I do see that you walked away from a partner who was not serving you, and some of you manifested some kind of Roka engagement ceremony, either for yourself or somebody in your family or near about friends in the last week. And this opportunity which has come to you, either for yourself or for your child or for somebody close to you, involves some kind of a movement and travel, and this is a good stable opportunity for the person who is seeking settlement in their love and married life. For some of my other friends, it is a period of spirituality, so connect to your divine. Mid of the week you are being asked, start of the week you are grounded in your energies. Mid of the week you are being asked to do more of meditations, to re-evaluate your situations and to have gratitude with divines. Connect to the spiritual realm. Some of you are absolutely moving towards spirituality and wishing to pursue spirituality as your career. Might be you are also contemplating to have some courses, learn some courses about spirituality. Might be so in the coming week. All in all, a very blissful week for you. I wish you all the best. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes to our Taurian friends. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Gemini, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Gemini friends. So dear angels, what is the energy of the coming week for our Gemini friends? So the energy for our Gemini friends is very fast moving energy, very swift energy. A lot of communication is happening in the coming week. Some of you are even traveling, doing air travels in the coming week. Too many cards. We'll take one of these. Okay, let me take all of these and see. So, well, I feel for my Gemini friends, there has been a situation around them. Okay, so a certain chapter of their life has closed in the last week, wherein I feel that there was an involvement of a Cancerian person in that chapter which closed for you, or an Aquarian person, and you have in the coming week I see you having a lot of stress, feeling a lot of lack, frustration, and wishing to move away from a certain situation or a person because of the communications that have come to you. Might be from a person. This whole scenario can be related to your work area, or it can be related to your relationships. Anyhow, I feel that in this situation you feel totally that there is no cooperation from anybody for you. For some of you, this spread is absolutely with regard to a loss of a loved one and the travel plan you had with regard to that, wherein you're really missing your family, feeling frustrated about the situation wherein you're not being able to travel and meet up with your family members. Okay, and for some of my other friends, it is a relationship based reading wherein I feel that you are feeling lack in your relationship. Now this can be a literal lack of a parent. Maybe you are lacking the company of a parent or a partner or your child maybe, and you're very stressed, and in some scenario there is a lot of frustration as what you're trying to communicate, might be in your relationships or might be in your work areas, is not being understood. And so there is so much of frustration in this scenario that you feel like walking away, leaving this job or career or business and walking away towards spirituality might be, or something else, search of something else. And for some of my other friends, they want to walk away from a relationship. However, the communication that will come to you is going to be a good news of some sort, and this can happen on Monday, Tuesday. There is going to be a dealing with a fair man in the coming week. They say dealing or relationship with a man with blonde, gray or white hair. So this person can be a person of another country, or can be an older person with gray or white hair, can be your father, father-in-law, or somebody in a company, or might be your partner or a lover. So this kind of a communication is going to happen. For some of you, this communication is becoming very challenging and competitive, and for others of you, this communication can eventually bring a good news towards you. But there is a lot of stress, there is a lot of negative blockages. I suggest that you take third eye chakra, crown chakra healings for yourself as well. You take most powerful healing for release of scarcity mindset. Yeah, that one on our channel, that is really going to help you in the coming week. Karmic completion. So it is a time of karmic completion. So even if you are leaving some jobs or a relationship, karmic completion card tells me that this is a time of, in fact, destiny shift for you. Wheel of fortune is turning in your favor. However, you are not realizing it at present. A destiny shift is taking place. If it involves some kind of a travel or a movement that you're stressed about, or moving on from a work environment or a relationship, trust me dear friends, it is happening for a reason, because the relationship or the work area or the place where you were in already was very chaotic, was not serving you well, and you need to let it go in order to move into your next life chapter that is going to bring you a lot of progress and growth for yourself. This is the channel message that I am receiving for you. So all in all, I will tell you that it is a period of good news. Whatever news is coming to you which is making you anxious, which is making you feel lack of some sorts, eventually is going to turn your destiny. It is going to be prosperous for you dear friends. So just the energies in the coming week are a bit anxiety prone for you, but I am telling you it is a destiny, big destiny shift happening for you. So I wish you all the best, lots of love and best wishes to my Gemini friends. And now let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Cancer, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Cancerian friends. So dear angels, how is the coming week going to be for our Cancerian friends? So for our Cancerian friends, some kind of a clarity is coming in the coming week. I feel that in the last week also they were getting hints about something that was coming towards them. Now in the coming week, they have been given many options. They are fantasizing, they are feeling absolutely wonderful and are in their dream world, as they have been given many options to move away from the chaotic times towards calmer times. And so they are feeling very their upper chakras are getting cleansed, their crown chakra, their third eye chakra. Some clear information is coming towards them, and that is making them very dreamy and fantasize about the opportunity, and a big blessing is coming towards them in the coming week. So that is a good scenario for my Cancerian friends. Definitely in the last week also there has been a clear communication from a certain big company or a certain person from in a position. Now this an organization gave them clarity. For some people this can be with regard to a lawyer, a doctor, a big institute, a school, or a recognized company, somebody holding a top position in a company with whom you are committed, giving a clarity on that scenario. Let me check it from the work perspective. So it is possible that somebody in the position, in a high position in a company, took your interview or gave you a clarity on a position that some options for you that you can pursue in the coming week, in the future of your career. And Monday, Tuesday itself, there is going to be some kind of a communication that will come to you. Okay, let's see. And that is going to give you an absolute clarity on your situation. There can be some kind of documentation work or email, phone call, something in form of writing which you need to read carefully before signing any kind of documents with this big organization or through this big organization. Tuesday, Wednesday, I see you fantasizing your options. Might be there are many options that have come to you, and you are choosing from within these options, and you are even fantasizing as though, you know, for some of my friends it is an opportunity to travel to another city, state or a country, move away from a chaotic person, or move away from a chaotic situation, a company, or, you know, a work scenario that was not serving them well. So they are fantasizing about this move, and they are healing towards Wednesday, Thursday, Friday also. I feel that, you know, they are healing, they are moving towards a lot of safety, security, abundance. And towards the weekend, I feel that an opportunity of financial benefits. These are pentacles. This is the shower of money from the heavens. So some kind of a documentation with a monetary raise can also come to you. Position raise, monetary raise, or a new, since it is Ace of Pentacles, it can be a new opportunity altogether coming to you if you are in a company or already in an established business or a profession. So this can be a new opportunity of financial benefit and stability coming to you. And if you are wishing to move away to another city, state or a country, or another company, another business, or something you want to start of your own, I feel that this is an opportunity, this is a new opportunity, which is a seed which is going to bring a lot of prosperity towards you in near future. And definitely over here, with this spread, I can tell you that you need to shield yourself from negative people, places and situations in the coming week as well. It is a time of a lot of healing for you. I feel that there is a healer around you who is giving you healing. For some of my friends, definitely it is a time frame when they are coming out of depression. So if you were suffering in your health, or a person around you was suffering in their health, I feel some of you might have even gone to the doctors to get reports or checked, get yourself checked up. I feel that it is a period of release of a lot of negative blockages, and you are coming out of your depression and moving towards prosperity, stability of health. Now let's see what else is there. Getting together with friends is being planned for you in the coming week. This is a very beautiful energy for you. So a get together with friends is being planned for you. Owl, good advice from a wise person. Wow, yes, I did feel that I feel that in the last week only you got a good advice from a wise person. However, more clarity is going to come towards you in the coming week, and wealth is manifesting into your life. It's a very beautiful spread for our Cancerian friends. You are some opportunity of financial benefit is coming to you. Wealth is coming to you in the coming week. Might be some documentation with regard to your raise, or a new opportunity bringing you success. Completion, dear friends. This card tells me that there is a completion of a cycle that is happening. With the 9, I feel that you're very nearing 10. So a completion of one chapter of your life that I've been seeing from many weeks for my Cancerian friends is happening, which can definitely involve some kind of movement. In a love scenario also, in a commitment, in a marriage scenario also, I feel that a lot of clarity is coming to you from Libra, Gemini, Aquarius or Taurian person around you. And for some of you, absolutely, you have decided to move away from a toxic relationship towards stability, security. And for some others of you, this is clarity You are making your choices from the various options of the for marriage and settlement that are coming towards you for stability. Yes, exactly. For some of my other friends, this is a time frame of manifestation of a home, property, or manifestation of childbirth. Girl child is coming towards you, something of the sorts. Very, very beautiful, blissful time frame for you. So all that was making you feel choked, that was repressing you in your life, depressing you in your life, oppression of people, oppression of, that was suffocating and choking. You're coming out of that situation. If somebody tried to dominate you or take control of you, now you are cutting those people, places and situations and moving towards calmer times, safety, security and stability in your life in the coming week. Very beautiful week for our Cancerian friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well. Lots of love and best wishes. So now let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Leo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Leo friends. Let's see the energies for the coming week for our Leo friends. Okay. So in the last week, I feel that our Leo friends have had some kind of a some kind of fear in their subconscious mind with regard to, maybe a partner who is younger to them, or maybe with regard to their child or a younger brother. I see a younger person on their mind, and their subconscious mind is a bit fearful or negative with regard to this situation. In the last week, there have been some fears in the subconscious mind, some suspicion also. Might be you were suspicious about a person, or you were listening to many intuitive persons. There is a certain intuition that you have about this person. In the coming week, I feel that there is going to be a fast communication that is coming to you on Monday, Tuesday. I feel that, some kind of an email, text, messaging or phone call, a news comes to you, and this news is going to give you a lot of strength, and it is going to be leading to an end of your painful life cycle. Okay, so all in all, it is going to be a period of happiness, success, name, fame, recognition coming towards you. So a good news is coming towards you Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We see you very courageous, strong, compassionate in your own energies, taming the lions, taming the animals around you with your inner strength. Towards the weekend, I feel that, for some of you, this is an end of a painful life cycle, and for some others of you, there can be a situation of some kind of backstabbing, cheating or something, and some of you can suffer in a bit of, backache or something of the sorts towards the weekend. Overall, I can tell you the whole week is happy week. Love is manifesting for some of my friends. Happiness, joy, a lot of passion, creativity. Yes, so in a love relationship, I feel that, you were suspicious about a partner, can be younger to you in age. In the coming week, I see that there can be a communication with them which gives you a lot of strength. And towards the weekend, there is going to be the end of this painful repeated pattern that was going on in your life, which is going to bring you some kind of happiness and success. For some of my other friends in the work scenario, there is a slow moving work related opportunity regarding which your subconscious mind is very disturbed whether it is going to manifest for you or not, because the movement of this opportunity is very slow, and this is your passion, and this opportunity can manifest you, but it will happen in divine timing. And in the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, I do see that some kind of an information comes to you, and that information gives you clarity and strength. Involvement with the law, dear friends. So for some of my friends, there is an involvement of court case, law, lawyers, judges in the coming week. Kangaroo card is here, wherein they say unsettled times need to plan ahead. So timing to plan ahead, some kind of an unsettlement that you feel, that is the planetary energy, and so you need to plan ahead. So for some of my friends, I feel towards the weekend they can feel some kind of, if you are in a married relationship and you are involved with a younger partner, this scenario of the hidden relationship can be open to your partner, and might be they ask you for divorce. Law involvement over here. You need to do everything in moderation in the coming week, dear friends. So eat in moderation in any chaotic situation. Stay calm, cool. Everything that you need to do in the coming week should be coming from the place of diplomacy and moderation. So do not follow extremes in the coming week. All in all, it is a strong week for you. You will be able to handle any situation coming towards you. Wishing you all the best. Lots of love for my Leo friends. And let's move on to our next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Virgo, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Virgo friends. What are the energies of the coming week for our Virgo friends? Virgo zodiac sign, dear angels, how is the coming week going to be for our Virgo friends? A lot of balance, Monday, Tuesday, lot of balance, Wednesday, Thursday, mid of the week, name, fame, recognition, position upgrade. So from the last week itself, I feel that you have been feeling very satisfied in your energies. Moon healings have been working for you. Your sacral chakra, your relationships are healing. In the last week, you healed a big blockage from your sacral chakra. I feel has been released, and your relationship scenario is now healing. You are healing your relationships. Your sacral chakra has healed in last week. I see you feeling very satisfied and contented in the last week, and that is good. Healing of divine feminine, exactly what I feel. Monday, Tuesday, I feel that you are going to be in angelic energies, very balanced, going with the flow of the things happening around you, absolutely connected with the divine. Crown chakra is open. You are meditating, you are praying to divine, believing, having faith. Beautiful energies Monday, Tuesday. As well, some of you are doing spiritual practices Monday, Tuesday, and becoming like beautiful angels yourself. Mid of the week, I see very beautiful energies around you. Some kind of an upgrade is happening for you. A lot of praises are coming for you. Love, affection, appreciation, attention, name, fame, recognition is coming towards you. So your solar plexus chakra is feeling very balanced in the mid of the week. Towards the end of the week, I feel that there is some situation wherein you are wishing, like, you need your isolation time and you need to do your spiritual practices. Towards the end of the week, I feel that you want to spend time alone and do your spiritual practices. Mostly I feel that that is what you are liking towards the weekend. So very, very beautiful week for you overall. So if you are seeing this spread with regard to your love relationship in the last week, I feel that you have felt very satisfied, but however there was a little bit suspicion coming, and then there was satisfaction also, that kind of a feeling in the last week. And in the coming week, I feel that Monday, Tuesday, you are going with the flow, you are having patience, waiting for the divine timing for the relationship to settle down. Mid of the week, you are very energized. Some of you are having a good intimate interactions with your partners. Towards the weekend, I feel that you want time of isolation. Some of you are even contemplating a moving to another city, state, or a country, something of the sort. You want to stay in your isolation time and contemplate on the opportunity of moving towards maybe a spiritual career, or maybe towards another city, state, or a country, or moving away from people, places, or situations that are not serving you well. However, I feel that in the week your balance is restored. Yeah, for some of my friends, this spread is absolutely a spread of moving towards becoming a spiritual healer or a teacher. You are connecting more and more with the divine realm, and so a lot of peace and harmony is coming into your life. Now you have started accepting the people, places, and situations just as they are, and in order to stay balanced, what you are pursuing is spirituality, I feel. Arcways, new opportunity, possibilities, and paths opening up. For many of you, I feel this is a spiritual path opening, an aha moment. You're connecting with your divine. So many of you, there is a spiritual path opening. For others of you, this can be an opportunity of satisfaction in work area, an upgrade, or a new opportunity of a work, a project, or something has come to you which involves movement to another city, state, or a country. Scissors have been given to you, dear friends. Disappointment in some affair. So yeah, towards the weekend, I feel that there is a feeling of discontent and disappointment. However, the angels have given you these scissors to cut your cord from people, places, and situations which cause you some kind of disappointment, and move away and let go these situations, people, places which do not serve you. Spiritual career, definitely some of you are manifesting spiritual career. So if you were pursuing a certain career, a certain job, business, or a profession that was not serving you well, you are being advised to move towards a spiritual career. Some of you, it is possible that you were in partnership with somebody, or you are getting in partnership with somebody who is of spiritual mind. So this can be a partnership career of towards spirituality, I feel, for some of my friends. So anyhow, it is a very, very beautiful balanced week wherein new opportunities are going to come towards you. And I do see Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Sagittarius, and Leo, Aries energy is very, very evident for you in the coming weeks. So enjoy yourself thoroughly well, my Virgo friends. And now let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Libra, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Libran friends. So what are the energies? Wow, so our Libran friends are feeling very, very grounded on Monday, Tuesday, enjoying themselves thoroughly well in their home environment as well. Wow, what a beautiful energies. Oh my god, what is this? Amazing, yeah. This is a beautiful week for our Libran friends. So with I feel that there has been an opportunity, a clarity, some kind of a documentation work which has happened for our Libran friends in the last week, which has brought them some kind of a soulful joy as well, which is a seed of something new that is bringing them stability, security, soulful joy. And I see 3 aces in this spread along with the Wheel of Fortune and the Queen of Pentacles. A big time wish fulfillment for you, destiny shift after 10-1-1-1. New contracts coming to you. New might be some of you are becoming spiritual healers or teachers. Some of you are manifesting new jobs for yourself. Some of you are manifesting childbirth. Some of you are manifesting big amount of money in form of property, lottery, some kind of divine idea is coming to you. Some of you have started writing books. That's what they're telling me. All in all, I feel that this is a time of destiny shift for our Libran friends. You have released a lot of blockages from your body, and so these opportunities, these seeds of financial abundance, stability, you becoming a spiritual healer, teacher, you becoming a guide for many people, you getting an opportunity of clear ideas. So here I see mental clarity, emotional satisfaction and material stability all manifesting for you in the coming week. Some of you are absolutely starting a work which can be your own profession, as in work from home kind of an opportunity that is your own manifesting for you. For some of my other friends, definitely this is something new that is coming towards you. For some of my friends, it is an opportunity of travel and movement. So beautiful information has come to you in the last week itself, which is already giving you a lot of soulful joy. It can be with regard to you, your partner or your child also, or your parent. So Monday, Tuesday, I see you looking beautiful, handsome, enjoying yourself in your home and your work areas, earning good money, having stable energies, cooking food, enjoying work, enjoying home life, decorating your homes, decorating, paying attention to Mother Earth, Mother Gaia, having the blessings of the goddesses. Mid of the week, there is an aha moment, a clear communication. Now this clarity can come to you as your divine gift from the universe. It can be in the form of an idea or an actual manifestation of an opportunity that comes to you on the earth realm, which is your Wheel of Fortune moment towards the end of the week. Destiny shift, and lot of financial benefit. Money starts to flow towards you with this shift. Whatever you wanted to manifest is about to manifest for you. Just a little bit of patience is needed, because when the Wheel of Fortune starts to turn, it doesn't happen in a day. So the process causes a bit of anxiety, and so you're being asked to see things from a different perspective. Have some patience, do more of yoga, do more of meditations, keep your crown chakra, third eye chakra clean to get more of divine guidance for whatever you want to manifest. Now this can be a manifestation of a new business also for some of my friends, or some kind of creative idea. So yeah, they say fox, shrewdness and resourcefulness, especially in business. So yeah, for some of my friends, I feel that a new financial opportunity in a business, an idea, starting a new business or might be growing, but you need to be more resourceful and shrewdful also to manifest this idea into your business or a profession that you want to grow into for abundance in future. Crib, dear friends, birth or conception of a child or an enterprise. Definitely I did feel so for many of my friends, it's manifestation of a childbirth, and for others it's a manifestation of a new enterprise, your own profession, your own business that you're setting up in the coming week. with the divine blessings from the universe. The hand of God universe, your ancestors, is involved in this. Seek out information that will help you. So in a situation where there is confusion, you may seek out a mentor who can give you helpful information. Beautiful energies around you, and the zodiac signs that are evident for you are that of Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, and Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn for you in the coming week. Rebirth. Wonderful, dear friends. It's a time of rebirth for you. So all that you were born to do in this life, however you were suffering, those energies that were your blockages have been released from your body in past so many years, so many months, and the coming week is a time frame of your rebirth. For some of my friends, if they had lost a child to heaven, this is a time frame when that child is going to have a rebirth. So it is a very, very profound week for you, a big moment for you, wherein you are going to see that there is something new birthing inside of you. And take it from me, dear friends, all this is manifesting. These new opportunities are manifesting into your life because you cleansed your energies, you took healings, you did your own work, might be, of clearing your blockages, and so you are now having a rebirth. So this is an absolutely new birth of yours, and you can manifest anything to everything now. Your old debts have been paid, your old cycle is closed now. Whatever other people thought of you or you thought of yourself that is not possible for you is history now. Anything and everything is possible because you are born new from coming week. So lots of love and best wishes to our Libra friends. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. Let's move on to our next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Scorpio, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Scorpion friends. So what are the energies of the coming week? Wow, the sun is shining on them. Happiness, success, name, fame, recognition. Wow. So for many of my Scorpion friends, I feel that they are going to outshine in their career profession in the coming week. In the last week also, I feel that they have thoroughly enjoyed in their home and family. There has been an 11/11 moment for them. For some of my friends, this was a manifestation of a happy married life. Either even if you are married, you were really enjoying yourself in the last week with your partner and your family, and if you wanted to pursue marriage, I feel that in the coming week there is going to be a situation wherein a person who is a Leo, most probably Leo, Sagittarius, Aries, or a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius person, a stable marriage is going to manifest for them. Love and marriage can manifest into your life with them. So if you wanted so in the coming week, with regard to work scenario, I feel that there is an opportunity, an idea which has come to you. Might be in, if you are already in an organization, this opportunity, this idea has come to you from a leader, from a person on a top position, and this is a very happy, successful new opportunity that has come to you, which can bring you a lot of name, fame, recognition, and you must pursue this. If you are doing your own career profession, I see that a lot of name, fame, recognition, you absolutely feeling like a superstar, rock star, because divine is connected with you. Divine ideas of creativity are coming towards you in the coming week. Blissful energies from the universe connect with you. A rebirth kind of a situation, one chapter closing and moving on to another chapter of your life. Yes, marriages manifesting for many people in the coming week. Career ideas, good Very beautiful, blissful week for you. Happiness for you, love for you, progress for you, stardom for you. Health is good, rejuvenated, mental clarity for you in the situations where there was no mental clarity. There is an involvement of law in the coming week. Some kind of paperwork might be with regard to your home. A lawyer or a judge is involved. Temptation will test you. I was feeling with the Leo energy that a lot of passionate energy is around you, and there can be a fire sign person who approaches you in the coming week for adventure. Definitely an adventurous opportunity is coming towards you in the coming week. Love and passion, definitely, or can be an opportunity of travel and adventure also for you, that is coming to you in the coming week. All in all, I can tell you that it is a very adventurous, yeah, exactly, happy and exploratory week for you. A lot of clarity is coming on the situations that were not clear, and something you are accomplishing in the coming week. A new chapter is about to begin in your life, and all that was destructive is ending from your life in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes to our Scorpio friends. And now we move on to our Sagittarius friends, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Sagittarius friends. So what are the energies of the coming week for our Sagittarius friends? Let's see the energies of the coming week. So our Sagittarius friends are working very diligently. Might be they have started working on a new project or something that they are working on with regard to their home property, or something from that gives them a lot of soulful joy. Something is bringing financial stability and soulful joy towards them. Last week I feel that they have signed a contract, some kind of a contract, some kind of a paperwork has happened in their life which has brought them a lot of stability, which is a seed of prosperity for them. And in the coming week I see them working diligently on a certain project, or might be their day-to-day routines also they are working diligently. And mid of the week I see them interacting with their older friends, or with their siblings or their parents, something of that sort of energy wherein you're feeling nostalgic, interacting with kids also. Towards the weekend I see you looking very beautiful, handsome, charismatic, enjoying your life. A lot of abundance is coming towards you. So all in all, I can say it is a beautiful, blissful week for you. Zodiac signs that are evident around you are Virgo, Capricorn and Gemini, Scorpio, Cancer. Piscean signs for you are very evident in the coming week. So for some of my friends, it is a week of their children might be joining, siblings or children joining a new work or educative plan, and there's a lot of stability, security in that. So if there were situations in which you felt choked, suffocated by a person, you are trying to work yourself out of those relationships which caused you a lot of suppression and repression and oppression and domination, and you are trying to connect with your soul family. Might be you're connecting with your siblings or your children or people who are like-minded in the coming week. So very beautiful energies for you. Some of you, I do feel that a financial opportunity in a workplace have come to you, which is that of a soulful joy, in which has come to you from a person you knew from your past companies or your neighborhood or your school, and this you are planning to join as an apprentice or start working with them. Now this can be in profession, business or work area with them. For some of my other friends, there is, in a love scenario, there is a reconciliation with a past lover and an ex-person coming back to you, and you're working to manifest stability into your relationship in the coming week. A long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. So there is going to be some kind of a journey which is being planned for you. Either it can be a literal travel that you take in the next week, or this is some kind of a mental or a journey that you're going through, which is going to make you wise, or which is going to bring, exactly which I was feeling, is going to bring a lot of excitement into your life in the coming week. So I feel you are having get-togethers with your soul families, and there is a lot of excitement in the coming week for you. So beautiful energies. With the individuality card, I feel that your solar plexus chakra is healing, your relationships are healing, and the guidance message for you is to be your authentic self. So do not pretend to be something else to please other people. Be your authentic self. Bring out your individuality in whatever you are pursuing now, in your work area, relationships. You need to be your authentic self, and that's how people around you appreciate you, as they know you from your childhood or from your older days. Do not pretend to be something else than what you are. That's the message coming across. So very, very beautiful, blissful week. Some of you are manifesting movement from one city state to another. That also I feel with regard to this new work. So all in all, very beautiful, blissful week for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well in the coming week. So let's move on to the next zodiac sign. That is the zodiac sign of Capricorn, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Capricorn friends. So the coming week energies for our Capricorn friends. Okay. Card for our Capricorn friends. So for our Capricorn friends, in the last week, I feel that all that they were feeling burdened of, that work has been completed, and an opportunity of travel or expansion has come to them in the last week. So in their work area, they are expanding their horizons. In the coming weeks, somehow I feel that there is a person around you. So central energy. It can be your energy, because the devil represents a Capricorn sign person only. Or it can be an energy of a person who is Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, or Leo, Sagittarius, Aries. And this person is kind of making you feel a bit dominated in the coming week. So the start of the week, I feel that you are giving a lot, nurturing your family, friends. You or a person around you, can be your mother or a mother-like figure, or a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpion person who is very nurturing around you, becomes evident to you. If it is your own energy, I feel that you are wishing for some isolation time, and you need to take care of yourself. Self-love is needed. You have been taking good care of other people around you, but it is time for you to take care of yourself. That's the message coming across. Mid of the week, I see you feeling suffocated, choked by a situation, or people might be in your work area or your home relationships, or the relationship you're into might be a third party situation that you're sensing. And towards the weekend, I see that there is an offer of love, healing, commitment, for somebody asking you for forgiveness, saying sorry to you towards the weekend, some such kind of an energy. So there is going to be healing in a situation. So whatever situation that is toxic around you is going to eventually heal towards the weekend. For my Capricorn friends, In the mid of the week, there can be a passionate encounter also with your partner for some of my friends, and an indulgence, that kind of an energy. Or for some of you, I feel that you are drinking a lot in the coming week, or you know, you are being addicted to something. Now this, you know well what is your addiction. In the midweek, take care of that addiction. Some kind of an offer of healing is coming, even if it is in a work area that you feel dominated by people around you. I feel that there is offer of reconciliation. There are people around you who can heal you, and there is somebody who is asking for your forgiveness in the coming week. So dog, far away friend is thinking of you. They say a distant friend is thinking of you. This I feel towards the weekend there can be a phone call from them. And bull, do not back down from opposition, show strength and fortitude. I feel in the mid of the week there can be opposition, oppressive forces, and they say that you do not need to back down from opposition and show strength and fortitude. So fight with this person like a bull. Can be a Taurian energy also. Nature, so connect with nature to heal this situation. I feel the more you will be in gardens, the more you will be in nature, you are going to feel better. If you feel dominated and choked by people, places and situations around you, you need to go out for walk. You need to go on, maybe, you know, walk on your terrace if you cannot go out in COVID timings. And be very careful about the food that you're taking. If you're taking too much of heavy food, non-vegetarian food, alcohol, caffeine, then you know you are blockaging your chakras and you're storing a lot of negative energy inside of you. Some of you, for some of you, definitely it is a week of healing. So if you were taking healings from my YouTube channel, there is going to be a big release of a negative blockage from your body, of ego might be, or control and domination might be. So I wish you all the best. All in all, I can say it's a week of healing in the relationships or the work scenario, and you are being guided to connect with nature to heal yourself. So let's move on to the next zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Aquarius, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Aquarian friends. So what are the energies of the coming week for our Aquarian friends? So our Aquarian friends are following their good regimes. There is a slow moving opportunity which is coming towards them, which is going to bring a lot of name, fame, recognition, and which will help in the completion of one cycle. So for my Aquarian friends, in the last week, I feel that for some of them, a relationship with their child, a mother-child relationship has been very evident, and a certain opportunity might be for marriage and settlement or commitment has come to them for their child through an earth sign person, might be a Taurian, a Capricorn, Virgo, or an Aquarian person, and this opportunity is a big blessing from the divine which will manifest for your child and bring a stable, secured marriage in the divine timing. For others of my friends, there has been a healing in the relationship, parental relationship with a child, between a child or a mother or parent in the last week, and a position of authority has come to you. Might be exactly what I feel, that you know, might be your child is getting married or something of the sorts, which is bringing a position of authority towards you. Okay, so in the coming week, Monday, Tuesday, very grounded energy, you performing your tasks. doing your exercising, eating good food, following your monotonous routine and feeling very grounded. Mid of the week there is a completion of a project or might be a big chapter closure, and towards the weekend blessing from your ancestors, divine, some kind of a commitment coming to you from a big organization might be, or a commitment in a relationship, marriage, something of the sorts manifesting for you. So if you were seeking a partner who is younger to you in age and you were in relationship, you are a married person pursuing a relationship with a younger partner, I feel that, you know, if you are a married person, I feel that this relationship can come to a closure. Might be you or they decide to, you know, absolutely move away from this relationship. But if you were single and pursuing a relationship with a younger partner, I feel a commitment is coming into this relationship. If you were in isolation and contemplation, if they were in isolation contemplation, it is possible that this relationship takes the next level of commitment. Some of my friends who are seeking this reading are becoming spiritual healers, spiritual teachers, pursuing a studying course, pursuing a study or a course towards spirituality in the coming week, and they have absolutely decided to move away from their career paths towards spirituality, a spiritual career. For some of my friends, there is a new opportunity of abundance which has come to them from another country, which can involve movement and travel also, but this is a slow moving opportunity. However, it is a stable opportunity. It can take a bit of time for manifestation for you, and a position of authority is coming towards you, or might be a person in a position of authority approaches you and talks to you in the coming week with regard to this situation. Family matters are going to be your concern. Even if you are pursuing this opportunity in work area and you want to travel, your wife and your child can be on your mind. Else this is a situation with regard to your parents, grandparents, something of the sorts. In some cases it is possible that a family member has moved to the other side of the world and a position of authority is coming towards you. It is a period of pride for you, something you have accomplished, some position you have attained. But dear friends, with the pride card, I will also always remind my friends that pride comes before fall. So if you have accomplished a certain position for yourself, feel accomplished, feel happy, but do not get pride get onto your head. Do not belittle other people around you, friends and family members. With the family matters, I would suggest that, you know, keep your pride to yourself. Feel happy and contented. It is a very, very major week for you. Marriages being fixed for some of my friends, big contracts coming from big companies for others of my friends, and commitments coming for some of my friends, and some of my other friends becoming spiritual healers or connecting with spiritual healers or spiritual leaders. So let us move with our last zodiac sign, that is the zodiac sign of Pisces, and let's see how the coming week is going to be for our Piscean friends. Some kind of a rigidity I felt when I was trying to shuffle these. Is it the rigidity of your mind, you being stuck on a certain situation, something of the sorts? You need to go with the flow. That's the message coming across for you. Go with the flow, have faith. My Piscean friends, with whatever situations that are coming in your life, you need to have faith in divine, keep hope, go with the flow. Let's see how the coming week. So travel is involved for some of you, change and travel. You were seeking last week, I feel you were traveling, you were wishing for a certain change. Might be you want to move to another city, state or a country. Travel is on your mind, pursuing some kind of a change with regard to movement or purchase of a vehicle can be on your mind. Might be you did purchase a vehicle. Beautiful, blissful energies for you in the coming week. I do see a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Sagittarius, Leo and an Aquarius person being very, very evident for you in the coming week. There are people in authoritative positions around you in the coming week. Now this can be your father, your father-in-law, your partner, or a boss of a company, somebody who is in a position of authority. It can be your own energy also. Magic is manifesting for you. So it is a week of manifestation with the Magician and the Queen of Wands. I can say that you have taken the authoritative position rather in your hand. I feel all the authority, and now you're turning this magic wand as per your choice. So I feel that in the coming week, for many of my friends, a love marriage is manifesting. There is a manifestation of love marriage with a partner, with the consent of the family members, might be the seniors I see around here. Yes, I do see the completion card on the bottom of the deck. With regard to a love scenario, there is stability, security, manifestation time has come. With regard to a work scenario, I feel that if you were looking for an opportunity of change to travel to another city, state or a country, you might be in communication with a senior person in a company, and they can give you an offer which can manifest this for you, this movement, this shift for you. They are going to give you options. And for some of my friends, they want to move to another career field, that is spirituality. They want to pursue spiritual healings or some kind of another healings, becoming a doctor or psychiatrist, something of the sorts. You have the ability within you to manifest this for yourself. So whatever you're doing in the coming week, it is going to manifest for you. If it is an interview for your work, career, business area, or you are meeting with your partners or their family members, magic is manifesting in your life. Definitely, I was sensing it. Good news is on its way for my dear friends Pisceans in the coming week. Beautiful energies for you. Family matters are highlighted. I do feel that settlement in families and you being introduced to your family is a concern. For some of my friends who are already married, I feel some kind of financial abundance is coming towards you. Yes, exactly. A position of authority, a throne, position of authority. Somebody in the position of authority is blessing you also in your family. And in a work area, I feel a position of authority is coming to you. An upgrade is happening for my Piscean friends. And what you are being guided to have moderation, exactly what I was saying. Go with the flow, have faith, have hope, have inspiration. Do not become extremist. Follow the principle of diplomacy in the coming week. So be diplomatic in your approach when you meet people, when you are giving interviews. Also, do not follow extremes. And with the moderation card, I would also say that eat in balance, exercise, stay balanced, moderation in all aspects of your life, balancing your work life and your love life. That is your guidance for the coming week. So beautiful, blissful energies for you. Health is very good. It's a week of manifestation, good news, and an upgrade coming for you. Enjoy yourself thoroughly well, and do let me know in the comment box below what is manifesting for you in the coming week. Lots of love and best wishes to our Piscean friends, and lots of love and best wishes to all our friends on Healing Souls. Thank you very much, dear friends.